One key to budget travel is choosing destinations that offer great experiences without emptying your wallet. And today, we're going to talk about some of these wallet-friendly destinations that should be on your travel radar. First up is the vibrant and enchanting country of Thailand. Known for its golden temples, bustling street markets, and world-renowned cuisine, Thailand offers an array of experiences for every type of traveler. The cost of living here is incredibly low. Think delicious street food for less than $1 and comfortable accommodations for a fraction of what you'd pay back home. Next on our list is Vietnam, a country that marries ancient traditions with modernity in the most spectacular way. From the lantern-lit streets of Hoi An to the stunning landscapes of Ha Long Bay, Vietnam is a feast for the eyes and the senses. And the best part? Your dollar stretches far in Vietnam, making it an ideal destination for budget travelers. But budget-friendly travel isn't just confined to Southeast Asia. Let's shift our gaze to Eastern Europe, a region teeming with history, culture, and adventure. Countries like Poland, Hungary, and the Czech Republic offer a rich travel experience without a hefty price tag. Whether you're exploring the historical streets of Prague or feasting on traditional Hungarian goulash, Eastern Europe promises to be a treat to your senses and your wallet. These destinations are just a starting point. There's a whole world out there waiting to be explored, and it doesn't have to cost the earth. It's all about making smart choices, planning ahead, and being open to new experiences. So, whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or you're planning your first big adventure, remember this. A rich travel experience doesn't always mean a rich price tag. Travel is about more than just the places you visit. It's about the experiences you have, the people you meet, and the memories you make. And those things, well, they're priceless. Accommodation can often be one of the biggest expenses when traveling, but it doesn't have to be. Picture this. Instead of splurging on a high-end hotel, you're nestled in a cozy guest house or perhaps a lively hostel. Not only do these options save you money, but they also open doors to new experiences and friendships. Let's start with hostels. These aren't just for backpackers or solo travelers. Many hostels offer private rooms, along with dormitory-style accommodations. They often come with shared amenities like kitchens and common areas, perfect places to mingle and share travel stories with fellow globetrotters. And who knows? You might even discover your next travel destination from these friendly chats. Next up, guest houses. These are usually family-run establishments, offering a more intimate and local experience. Staying in a guest house can provide you with a home away from home. The hosts may offer valuable insights into the local culture, hidden gems, and best places to eat, information you might not find in any travel guide. Then we have budget hotels. These are great for those who prefer a bit more privacy without the hefty price tag of luxury hotels. Many budget hotels offer clean, comfortable rooms and basic amenities. Some even throw in free breakfast, a great way to start your day without dipping into your meal budget. Another option worth considering is vacation rentals. Websites like Airbnb or Booking.com offer a wide range of accommodations from private rooms to entire homes. These are especially cost-effective for longer stays or when traveling as a group. Remember, no matter where you choose to stay, always check reviews and ratings. These can help you avoid unpleasant surprises and ensure a comfortable stay. Also, try booking directly through the accommodations website or via email. You might be able to negotiate a better deal or snag a room that's not listed on the larger booking sites. With a bit of research, you can find a comfortable place to rest your head without breaking the bank. Because, at the end of the day, travel is about the experiences you gain, not the money you spend. Every penny counts when you're traveling on a budget. That's why it's essential to have a few money-saving strategies up your sleeve. Let's dive in. Firstly, consider cooking your own meals. This doesn't mean you have to miss out on the local cuisine. Visit local markets, pick up fresh ingredients, and try your hand at making local dishes. It's a fun way to immerse yourself in the culture while saving a few bucks. Secondly, forget about taxis and private cars. Public transportation is not only cheaper, but it also provides a more authentic experience. Whether it's a bus in Bangkok, a tram in Prague, or a subway in New York, you'll see the city from a whole new perspective. Next, let's talk about attractions. Sure, the Eiffel Tower and the Colosseum are iconic, but they come with a hefty price tag. Instead, explore the free attractions the city has to offer. This could be a charming local park, a historic neighborhood, or a bustling market. You'll be surprised at how much you can see without spending a dime, and speaking of markets, they are a treasure trove of experiences. From fresh produce and local delicacies to handmade crafts and vintage finds, markets are a window into the local culture. And the best part? Window shopping is absolutely free. Lastly, be mindful of small expenses. They might seem insignificant at the time, but they can add up quickly. This could be anything from a bottle of water at the airport to an unnecessary souvenir. Every decision you make impacts your budget, so choose wisely. By being mindful of your spending habits, you can stretch your budget without compromising your travel experience. It's about making smart choices and prioritizing experiences over material possessions. After all, the best things in life are free, and that includes the joy of travel. Getting there is half the fun, but it doesn't have to be half the cost. The key to unlocking affordable flights and transportation lies in your approach. It's not just about where you go, but how you get there that can make a big difference in your travel budget. Let's talk about flights first. There's a whole world of comparison websites and apps out there, designed to help you find the best deals. Websites like Skyscanner, Kayak, and Google Flights allow you to compare prices across multiple airlines, ensuring you snag the best deal possible. But remember, the cheapest flight is not always the best value. Be sure to consider factors such as baggage fees and layover times. But don't just stop at comparing prices. Consider alternative airports as well. Sometimes flying into a less popular airport, even in a nearby city, can save you a significant chunk of change. And remember, flexibility is your friend. If you can be flexible with your travel dates, you can often find cheaper fares on off-peak days and times. Now, let's shift gears to on-the-ground transportation. Once you've landed, how do you get around your destination without breaking the bank? Well, consider budget-friendly options like buses and trains. Public transportation is not only economical, it also gives you a taste of local life. Plus, it's eco-friendly. For longer distances, consider overnight buses or trains. They might take longer, but they can save you a night's accommodation. And if you're really adventurous, why not try hitchhiking? It's free, and you might just meet some interesting locals along the way. In conclusion, finding affordable flights and transportation is all about being flexible, resourceful, and a little adventurous. By doing your research, comparing prices, and considering all your options, you can travel the world without spending a fortune. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. And with these tips, your journey can be just as enjoyable as your destination, without breaking the bank. By being flexible and resourceful, you can travel the world without spending a fortune.